So this is from the week of October 25th, 2021. I always compare fiberglass to rigid conduit. What that is based on these numbers here, I'm 55% the cost of rigid. Let's look at engineering benefits of fiberglass. I know a lot of you probably already know this, but from an engineer's perspective, it's less structural steel, less hangers, which equals less installation time. A lower coefficient of friction, that's less pull tension, less chance of damaging my conductors, which means less installation time. The tensile strength, so I found it does have a high heat resistance. We get no burn through. It's definitely cheaper than rigid 90s. Which ultimately leads to less rework and less installation time, which should save everybody some money.